The power of nature. Fast, furious, and completely unpredictable. In a split second, lightning can strike the ground, a tree, or even an airplane. And luckily, the camera was rolling when it happened. Today, you'll see stunning and terrifying lightning strikes, all captured in real time. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. In an instant, the sky lights up like an explosion, and a moment later, thunder crashes so loud it rattles the windows. This isn't special effects. This isn't a movie. This is real nature, filmed at the exact moment the storm broke loose. Today you'll witness some of the most jaw-dropping lightning strikes ever caught on camera, some by pure chance, others by dedicated storm chasers. Some of the clips are incredibly rare. Others are just sheer luck. But all of them are absolutely breathtaking.
Just a second.
Holy
What is lightning? Lightning is a powerful electrical discharge that occurs either between clouds or between a cloud and the ground. Its temperature can reach 30,000 degrees Celsius 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Its speed? Up to 200,000 kilometers per hour, 124,000 miles per hour. It can flash before your eyes, and you won't even have time to blink. When a moment like that is caught on camera, it becomes an unforgettable sight. These clips aren't special effects or scenes from a movie. They're real lightning strikes, captured by eyewitnesses, some by pure chance, others by storm chasers who risk their safety to get the perfect shot.
Holy! It hit that tree. It struck that tree. Holy!
Oh my god.
Scared them too.
Fascinating facts. The odds of being struck by lightning? 1 in 1.2 million. But every year, thousands of people are killed by lightning. A lightning strike can cause temporary memory loss, severe burns, or even cardiac arrest. There have been cases where people were struck multiple times and survived. One American man was hit 7 times and lived to tell the tale. There are people who chase storms for a living. They're called storm chasers. They track weather patterns, follow thunderstorm fronts, and go on wild expeditions to capture these rare moments on film. Important safety tips.
If you're caught in a thunderstorm outdoor, don't stand under trees. Don't hold metal object. Put your umbrella away.
If possible, get inside a car. The metal body can protect you. Remember, lightning can strike up to 10 kilometers, 6 miles from the center of the storm. So even if it's not raining and the sky looks clear, you could still be at risk. Lightning is a reminder that nature is always more powerful. That even in the age of technology, all we can do is watch in awe or run for cover. Every time you see lightning streak across the sky, you're staring directly into the eyes of the storm itself. If these moments took your breath away, leave a like. And tell us in the comments, have you ever seen lightning strike up close? Or maybe, even caught it on camera? Don't forget to subscribe. Even more unbelievable footage is coming soon.
Ah, puxa, onde que tá dando isso? Ah, porra!
操！完了，高压电干折了。
on bądź śmiści! Holy oh God, Jesus oh God, baby, come back!
我的妈！冒烟了呢！我操！
哇！我打個雷劈落嚟，差啲劈到我啊！